Find the partial sum for the first 50 terms of the series 3 plus 8 plus 13 plus 18 and so on and so on and so on. So you look at this series and the first thing you need to decide about it is it arithmetic or is it geometric? And I can see that this has a constant common difference of 5, which tells me it's an arithmetic series. So an arithmetic series is defined by the first term u1 and the common difference d. So u1 is 3 and the common difference d is 5 and it's positive. So I need to find the sum of the first 50 terms. So if I look at my formula sheet, I know that Sn equals n over 2 and it is 2u1 plus n minus 1 times d, all of that in a bracket. So I have u1, I have d, n is given to us. It wants the partial sum of the first 50 terms. Now it says partial sum. Basically all of these series, because it kind of does this, it's what's called an infinite series. So this never ends. It's just we're being told, well, tell me what the first 50 terms add up to. That's why it's called a partial sum. So we know n equals 50. And then this you just substitute in, so S50 equals 50 over 2. 2u1, u1 is 3, 2 times 3 plus n minus 1, so 50 minus 1 times 5. Like that, so equals 25 times 6 plus. Now this, you might be tempted to kind of do 50 minus 1 and then times by 5, but actually it's probably a lot easier to think about, well, 50 times 5 minus 1 times 5. 50 times 5 is 250. 1 times 5 is 5, so that must be 245. In there, 245 plus 6 is 251, so 25 times 251. And at that point, I would probably consider consulting a calculator. 25 times 251 is 6,275.